How to create an LLC in USA 2025. In this video, we're quickly going to be talking about LLCs and how you're going to be creating one for yourself in the United States of America. So, to start things off, what you're going to do is obviously you're going to come over to IRS's website. Now, once you're in IRS's website, over here, they're going to give you a proper detailed analysis on how LLCs are made. So, basically, what you can do is you can come over on their website. Now, once you're on their website, here you can see all of these details like classifications that you're going to need, effective of election, etc. Now, basically, if you want to go ahead and create an LLC for yourself, what you can basically do is once you're here in the LLC section, what you're going to want to do is you're basically going to go ahead to starting a business right over here. And once you're over here, you can go ahead and check that you have all these things. So, do you have a business structure? Do you have your employer identification number, business taxes, record keeping, etc.? So, once you have all these things, you're going to choose an agent for yourself that's going to create that LLC for you. Now, there's many agents out there on the internet or even when you go ahead and discuss face to face. But if you want to go ahead and get an LLC without any hassle or totally for free, what you can do is you're going to come over to Wyoming LLC, who are basically agents. So $150 total. And you can get a Wyoming LLC formed by a registered agent. So, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Form Wyoming LLC as a non resident. Okay. And obviously, that is not necessary. Even if you're a resident, you can create one. So once you come over here, add in your details like your company name, alt company name, business type. Obviously, we're going to go with LLC. And once you do all of that, you're going to want to provide them with the payment structure. And once all of that is done, you should be good to go from there. So your grand total should be around 180 with taxes and other details included. Go ahead, submit your order. It's totally reliable, and that should start up your LLC right away. So that is basically the main idea of an LLC and how you're going to create one in the United States. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.